Welcome to the NTE App. Here, you can record your classes without using an external device. The recordings you save will automatically be uploaded to your NTE account. However, you'll need to access the NTE web dashboard to send your recordings to a note taker. The recordings won't be sent automatically. Let's go over an example. To download the app, visit the App Store from your smartphone and search for Note-Taking Express. Using the credentials you received via email, log into your NTE account. To record a class, click the microphone icon at the bottom of the screen. Don't forget to grant the app permission to record audio. After granting permission, click the microphone icon again. This will start the recording. Once you start recording, you can pause at any moment, like if there's a break during your class or if there are parts of the class you don't want note takers to consider. On the pause screen, you can either delete, keep, or continue recording. You can also add bookmarks. This tool helps you mark down important sections so note takers know where to pay extra attention. Once you're ready to save and upload your recording, hit the pause icon, then click on Keep on the bottom right corner. Name the recording using the class name and date. This will help you keep your folders organized so it's easier to find the notes you need. Finally, click Save. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know your recording has been successfully saved. Once you're ready to send your recording for note-taking, log into the NTE web dashboard. Click on My Recordings. Here, you can check the status of your notes. Find the recording you need and click Request Notes. NTE will contact you via email within 48 hours, letting you know when the notes will be ready. To download your notes, click the arrow next to Notes Ready for the class needed. Then select Download Notes. Your notes save to the Downloads file in your directory. From there, you can save it to your personal folders. The NTE app is a simple way of recording your classes without using an external device. You can still use any device to record and upload the audio or video file from your computer to the NTE web dashboard. Check the supplemental documents shared in the onboarding email for information on how to screen record using a Mac, Windows, or smartphone. For more information, contact us at note.taking@humber.ca or visit humber.ca/learning resources/note-taking services.